Twitch points are finally here, and I'm going to show you how to use them to the best of their ability so that way you can make them unique for your particular stream and style, so that way you can be bigger and better and have a more engaging stream. And we're getting started right after this. Looking to upgrade the production value within your stream? Look no further than acquainted.tv. From overlays to alerts to stinger transitions to emotes, Own3D has got you covered from beginner to professional. Simply find a graphic or design that fits your style and flair for your stream. And before you purchase, you can see how it will look with their interactive showcase. It's time you became bigger and better by heading over to owned.tv by clicking in the links below. Hey all, Wild for Games here, and I am super jazzed today to let you know that Twitch channel points are here, and this is a feature I'm really excited about for the sheer reason that it's going to help you with your viewer retention and analytics, because it's going to help with that engagement factor and let people stay longer in your channel because they're having fun accumulating those points. Now real quick, if you're not familiar with what Twitch channel points are, it's all right, I got you covered here. Essentially, the quick rundown is it's a currency that you can earn for a particular streamer's channel that you can spend to unlock rewards for that specific channel alone. And there's a whole host of rewards which we'll get into here in a minute, but there you go. Now you're all cut up to speed. Now, since I like to be thorough, I'm gonna talk about, if you're a viewer, how you need to use channel points here. It's actually very simple. Just go to the bottom of the chat window that is there, and you're gonna see an icon that will tick up. For the more time you're in a channel, the more points you will earn. Simply tick on that, and there you can see the claim codes you can redeem, there we go, that's the word, that you can use within that particular channel, and it'll show you how much each reward costs for you to redeem it. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you're a streamer, this is where it gets really fun. When you're a streamer, you can craft, mold, and stylize these channel points to your heart's content, which is what makes it so much fun. To access your channel points, to change them, you got two options you can do. You can go to your own channel and go to your chat window and click on channel points, and there will be a dot icon that'll allow you to manage the channel points. Or you can go to your creative dashboard, go all the way to the bottom of settings where it says affiliate or partner, and scroll down to channel points. From the channel points setting page here, the first section you're gonna see is enable channel points. Now, using channel points is completely up to you. You can use them or not use them. If you want to, you have to make sure this is ticked on. If you want to learn any more about how people redeem or claim or actually earn channel points, you can go to the end and click on see more tips. Here you'll be able to see how many points they earn per minute and things like that. So you watch for 5 minutes, you get 10 points. Claim special bonuses, plus 50. Participate in a raid, 250, and so on and so on. There's also subscriber multipliers, and if you need any more additional help, you can go to the learn more about channel points, which I will put a link in the description below if you need to learn more about it. And I do actually recommend taking a look at that Twitch article about channel points, because there is a lot of useful information that's going to make you more effective on your streaming channel with these points that I unfortunately can't get into at the moment because that would be a really long video. Our next tab we have is customize points display, and this simply allows you to change the name of your points, and you can change them to whatever you want. For instance, I'm just going to put mine to Wild's channel point, and make sure you click save, otherwise obviously this won't save. Pro tip, by the way. If you would like your points to have any display feature, you can treat them just like you would emotes for your particular channel. Simply load in the sizes that you need. For instance, I'm gonna have some nice, fun, wild flex points here. It's like looking into a mirror, isn't it? When all of your graphics are loaded at the bottom of the screen, you will see how your channel points will be displayed. And of course, for another pro tip, make sure you click save. Next, we have up manage rewards, and this is where it becomes really fun. When clicking on this, you're able to change the rewards or customize them to your heart's content, and this is what's going to separate you out from all the other channels on Twitch. Now, currently, if we scroll down, you get 5 default rewards. Highlight your message, unlock a random sub emote, send a message in sub-only mode, choose an emote to unlock, and modify a single emote. As Twitch is rolling this out from their beta, these will probably change over time, so don't be alarmed if yours is different from what you see currently in the video. If you need to make any changes to your default rewards, all you simply need to do is click on edit. And from here, you can make all the changes that you need. If you need to change the cost of what it is, if you need to change what the icon will be, again, these are treated just like emotes on Twitch, so you have to have the appropriate sizes, as well if you want to change the background color of how it will be displayed on your particular channel. Again, once you're all done, simply click save and everything will be good to go. At the top of the page is where you have your custom rewards. And again, just like we said, this is where you get to make your channel unique in your own here with the rewards that you have. Simply click on the create a custom reward and you can make whatever your heart desires for a reward, whatever way you particularly want. So for instance, let's say I was gonna do an AMA. Make sure you add the appropriate settings and options that you want for your reward. I'm gonna click on require viewer to enter text, and I'm gonna give this 1,000 channel points for it to be claimed. Again, you would drop in whatever icon you would want, treat them again just like emotes, and you can pick your background color of whatever your heart desires. Now, custom rewards are manual rewards for the sheer reason is if you make an awesome reward that you can't keep up with or people are just claiming constantly, you can set limits on them at the bottom of the options there where it says limit redemption per stream. And this is really good to have on if you're giving away an awesome reward. I don't know, perhaps you're giving away a reward where you gift out a sub in your channel, or maybe you're giving away a premium Snapchat. It's all up to you on how you want to reward your community. With everything in its place, simply click create and now you have your own custom reward. Once you create a custom reward, you will see a tab here that says review reward requests, and this will show you exactly who has actually claimed the manual ones that you have put in that are your custom rewards if you ever have to go back and take a look at them. This page will also allow you to edit your rewards if you need to. Now, there are some really important keynotes that you need to know about Twitch channel points before you start using them. You want to make sure that you're going to be safe, and Twitch has your back on this. In fact, they've actually took into consideration how people might harass you with channel points. The cool thing about manual rewards is you can actually review the request of who redeemed it before you actually have to honor it. Banned users will also not be able to redeem points for any particular type of reward. Currently, at the moment, there's only 2 ways that you'll be notified if somebody claims a reward within your channel. Twitch will do a notification via the chat, but Twitch also recommends that page I showed you earlier that you pop that out so that way you can see and review who is redeeming your rewards at that time. Also, there's a fancy little redeem counter that shows you how many redemptions have gone on through one particular stream. I am sure third-party platforms like Streamlabs will be coming out with something that will recognize so that way you can have your own particular graphic in the near future. Twitch channel points seem like a really awesome addition. I'm actually really excited to start using them right off the bat, but I got a question for you. What are some of the rewards that you're gonna have on your channel? Because I would like to hear the feedback of what everybody's gonna do. Plus, you might help out some other people. So make sure you leave your comment down below because I wanna know. Twitch channel points are a great way to keep your community and viewers engaged, but it's not the only thing you need to do to keep them engaged. You gotta sound great too, which is why I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that's gonna show you how to 10x any mic that you have. That's right, any mic that you have, I can make it 10 times better. Make sure you watch that video right after this one because it's gonna help you out. Once again, my name is Wild for Games, helping you become bigger and better, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next stream support video coming out real soon. Take care all, and peace!